Hello, welcome to Venus Stationeers, day 208 in the brutal playthrough with pretty much no trader. There, that's out of the way. I don't think I was doing anything important here, so I did drink and eat. Good. You're full? No. Now you're full. Is there already too much oxygen? Yes, there is. Okay, I'll have to deal with that, but it should last a while. I just need to add more storage for oxygen. I still don't have a permanent oxygen storage. This is still very, very basic. But at the same time, I want to keep the pressure in the pipe high enough so that the pressure regulators work well. There. Okay. Now the first thing I want to do, I think... Well, first let's check the traders. Just a quick check. Storage appliances. Let's give you a call. Yeah. Still not working without disabling. Well, wait a minute. This part is cut off, so the wire is still too much. No. Did I do something wrong? Should be able to work. Did I keep more things running than I remember? Oh, you are still charging up, maybe? That would be a problem. The total error is just 600. You should work. Should just take 4,000. Yeah, now it works. And yeah, of course, it wastes a huge amount of power. But yeah. It's not a big deal. It only lasts a few seconds. Yeah. And with the full sun, it's really, really easy. Okay, but I'm not going to go and look there, though. Because the first thing I want to look at is not the IC editor, I want the sorter. So I do want to check how the sorter works now, and if it still works. There's a sorter. Oh, can I rename it directly here? That would be interesting. Did it rename you? Yes, it did. Interesting. So that's another old thing here. Okay, so the whitelist here. Ooh. This part isn't really working very well, is it? Okay. Well, I did kind of think this might happen. Let me try with one of the older computers. You're going to work. Okay, that looks better. No, the big screen doesn't really work here. That's okay. What I want to do is... Okay, let's go with ore first. Let's see what that does. Yeah. Just a little bit. Yep. Okay, let's use the wrench then. Okay. If I throw my mining bolt in, you go here and you go here. Good. That's good for him. That's very good. So I just need to connect it to the other one or change this into a blacklist, I assume? Or can I not choose a blacklist? Okay, that's fine. But this does work. I just need to connect the other slot, which doesn't really matter. There's no difference, really. Although... I also need to be able to disable it. I only want to export... Yeah, I can't control the exporting at all. Is there a way to block the chutes? And there's the chute overflow, that's not good enough. Globe splitter also isn't a thing. Digital valve. Stop the flow of materials when set to closed, and when set open will act like a straight chute. The valve will automatically close after a certain number of items have passed through. Okay, but I can't read what's in there, right? That's a problem. But that doesn't really help me. Because I do get a quantity, but I don't think I'll know anything else. Occupant hash. Okay, let's give that a try, but I'll need to make a power chute. First one. And I don't have the network configuration. Oh, yeah, I do. Good. So power chute, iron electron constant 10. Okay. And it needed two, right? No, just one. Okay. Let's give you a try. Yep. I don't want to throw it into the furnace, though. So let's try it somewhere else. You... Always nice. No, default should be closed, at least for now. And there's a close threshold. Okay. Oh, that's where the chip went. I wonder if that's useful at all. I'll check it eventually. Okay, so now name hash, prefab hash, that's useless. Okay, so it doesn't actually tell me anything, does it? Hmm. It's you're turned on now. I don't think that changes anything about the options here. Wired power, of course. Setting 0, quantity 0. Quantity 0. It doesn't even push anything through, is it? It's the setting. If I open you, yeah, no information at all. What are logic slots? Oh, I have to read it from the transport slot. Is that it? Okay, I guess I'll have to look into how these work. Because I think that the unloader doesn't give me much control at all. The output is writable. And the mode is, there's a logic mode. But, oh right, that's the output, so it will just export the main item. This just allows me to empty everything and just turn it back out, right? And there's inverted export slots. Right, yeah. So can I do something with the slots when programming? How does this work? Oh, I have to put it somewhere. That's why I wanted the atmospheric skits. Yeah. That's the coolant. Something like this for now. I don't want to spend too much time just playing around here. I don't think it even needs to be turned. Well, it does need to be turned on. Screen. Flashing an error, I don't care about that. Okay, there's an air conditioner. It's empty. If I go for stacker, can I read information? Well, not the stacker, I don't need that. I need you, the sorter. Or, oh, what do you give me? Oh, the export tells me what's right there. Yes. Alright. But I actually want the powered chute. What was the name? The digital valve or something? Yeah, chute digital valve. This one does have a logic slot, and it should show me the occupant and the quantity, if I can actually read it. So, you're closed, that's what I want. There. Now this should have something inside. We should have some functions that do something here. Right, logic slots. So, can I find something to work with logic slots? Right, logic slot type. So we can read logic slots. LBS. I'm going to keep the. Well, I don't have to. Yeah, I do. Okay. So first thing, digital valve. Was it right or left? I don't remember. We had to do it in the others. There. And if I read from chute valve, slot index is 0, and logic slot type is, well, let's start with quantity. There's only going to be one, so this doesn't matter. And can I? There should be something I can see, right? Oh, I don't really have to do that. I have plenty of resources to add a battle or something. And there are new ones, right, in this version? So maybe we'll even get to try those. Light. Rerun. Oh no, I wanted a console, right? I mean, lights work too, but I do actually want console. You are console, right? Yeah. It will need a glass sheet. Oh, I don't know if one is going to be enough, so let me take both for now. Oh, both. All of them. There. And I need this. I don't need a glass sheet after all. That's fine. Steel sheets either, I think. And no more pipes. And the sorter motherboard I shouldn't need anymore because I already have everything I need. I think. There. And just to keep this simple, I am going to just use the LED display as device 0. There. Device list null. Really? I did connect you. You are your digital. Well, anyway, that's the end of day 208. So see you later. Bye.